Well, hello again, hello again. Um, I'm going to attempt to do a few more prompts in my Abandoning Perfection journal. We're getting there, slowly but surely. Today, I'm going to we'll see how we go. I'm going to do 4 prompts if I get a chance. And they're messy prompts in some respect. So I did kind of fix my book a little bit so that maybe I wouldn't make quite such a big mess. It's going to have to dry is the deal. And if you guys have followed my videos and if you are a subscriber, you know already that I don't like to use a heat gun to dry my pages. So, and that's just me. I'm not telling anyone what to do, but I don't like to use it. So it means that everything has to air dry, which means that when I do messy prompts with paint, that I then have to think about not having that that option of going on to the next thing. And for some unknown reason, I forgot to get paint out, which I don't know why I did, but I forgot to get paint out. So let's see what we can dig out here while you're listening to me just randomly rant. Sorry about that, guys. I'm going to do what I can to accomplish the page where I have to write my fears on a page and then cover it with paint or collage, which is prompt number 16. Prompt number 20 is use only your fingers to paint, which that's my plan to paint. Number 92 is to draw a silly face. And number 83 is to drag your page through the paint. And my thought is I am going to draw my silly face on this paper. I'm going to glue it in, and then I'm going to drag that through the paint so that it doesn't look like I've just drug a plain page through the paint. But I am going to get busy here, and I did already write my fears on the page so that y'all wouldn't have to sit there and watch me do that. So I am just going to paint with my fingers because, you know, that's the prompt, and I'm going to cover up my fears. And then we'll see about drawing a silly face. See if I can touch it without making a mess. I didn't get a lot done today, but I did 4 prompts. It didn't take as long as I might have expected it to take. But I can't really go on very well with any more until this dries. So I'm going to call it a day. But as I was cleaning up my lovely, pretty little wet wipes here, I had an idea for using them. So if you clean up with wet wipes and you get some pretty wet wipes from your paint, you might want to hold on to them. I don't know if it's going to work, but I am definitely going to try it out. And it'll be part of this journal project. Maybe I'll try to do that next week. I don't want to promise because you never know how things are going to go in a week, or what I want to do next week. So anyways, guys, let me read you a quote from my 1001 Ways to Creativity. And then I need to run on. Okay, this is the book we're going to read out of. It says, those who do not want to imitate anything produce nothing. Salvador Dali. Those who do not want to imitate anything produce nothing. Salvador Dali. Interesting. I really like that kind of idea. Okay, so guys, go have fun. Make some art. Bye-bye.